Okay guys, we are very excited. Yes, this is our box, but it's no normal box. We have a special delivery that's arrived today. Mike has made his purchase of the second piece of the Sentiment collection. Mike, come on, explain to us, what does this box contain?
Well, we've had a fantastic supporter in our patron, Gina Campbell, for a number of years, and she's joined the incentive initiative and provided an image that's of a private collection of a painting she's had of her family, of a picture of herself, her father and her grandfather. We've had that picture divided into pieces so that we can share it and share memories with our supporters, our participants, and anyone that's interested in the Speedersite story and the Speedersite magic. So I'm very excited to get my delivery today. So I'm going to open my box and share my excitement with you and see what we've got.
Come on, Mike, unbox it. Let's see it, pal.
So, looks like we've got some paper in here. So I'm going to ask John to explain what this is for me.
So this piece of paper explains exactly what the Sentiment collection is all about. In essence, Sentiment is all about collecting people with a shared ethos, a shared vision, a shared passion, a sense of belonging and a sense of connection. And this tells you all about it, word for word, about Gina Campbell, the amazing dynasty of the Campbells, Donald Campbell, Malcolm Campbell, and 100 years of just massive appreciation for Gina's father. Below it, Mike, I'm zooming in on the picture that is also in the box. Now, that picture is basically divided into 1,000 pieces. And how are those pieces connected, Mike?
So we've got this picture as John just described, and then it's been divided, as John said, into 1,000 pieces. I have this particular piece. Now, this piece has been prepared specifically for someone with sight loss. So normally it would have a glass front, but what they have done for me and other people interested in it that can't see is removed the glass and prepared it with a lacquer so that I can feel the iconic jigsaw piece and my piece of the Sentiment collection, the Campbell legacy. So as you can see, it can go around here, feel that I've got a straight edge here, so it's obviously on the outside of the picture at some point. So I'm very happy to have this, and as soon as we've finished our video this evening, I'm going to hang it on my pride of place on my wall in here, and I'm going to have it as a treasured memory.
I've just zoomed in to a BG. Now, the BG is very significant. That's the Bickerton Grace Gallery, who have come up with this whole idea of what makes Sentiment. And it's because of their initiative and the idea of connecting 1,000 people who will all make an investment and buy one of these pieces, as Mike has done. For how much does it cost, Mike?
These pieces, they cost £50, and every piece that people buy, like myself, every piece will make a donation to the charity and help individuals such as me with disability get behind the wheel on a race circuit in a very fantastic race car. So this is a fantastic connection and a fantastic collection. We are all connected by a gold thread that runs through this piece.
Show us that again, Mike.
The gold thread?
Yeah, I can see that. Very, very beautiful. I'll be certainly making my purchase. So thank you, Mike, for explaining this to us. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you to Gina Campbell. Thank you to the Bickerton Grace Gallery. And it's just an exciting time and a nice bit of sunshine as our season's about to start.